Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove objects from your photos in Photoshop. So I'm just going to double click on the lock button real quick. And I'm just going to find the remove tool, which is this one. You're just going to select the item that you want to remove. This is mostly for acnes or blemishes on face. People usually use it for that, but I guess you can use it for other items too. Make sure your brush is a little bit bigger because the object will be a little bit bigger, like this one. And you're just going to wait for it to load and remove. And you're just going to make some adjustments along the way. And well, as you can see, the object's been removed. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!